With unemployment on the rise, 30-year fixed mortgage starting to plummet, gold prices at all-time highs, there seems to be one word on everyone's mind, but no one seems to be admitting it. Are we in a recession? Well, this is Rice Finance here, and I'm going to be the one to tell you, yes, we are in a recession. Now let's get right into the video. Well, I'm back, and I know it's been a while. Sorry for those of you who've been eagerly waiting for me. I'm not going to even dive right into it. I'm just going to just say, life happens. So let's get right into the video here. Why am I admitting that we are in a recession, but everyone seems to be saying we're not? Well, as I stated in the intro, unemployment rate at all time, it seems to be ticking up drastically. Our fixed mortgage rate seems to be drastic, and our gold all the way at all-time highs. It seems like no one, not even Jerome Powell himself, has an idea on what's going on with the market. You saw in this last week them trying to lower their bond prices by 50 bips. And what did it do in turn to the 20-year Treasury? It in turn drastically increased what appears to be the interest rate. Now, this is the price of bonds, but it correlates pretty much exactly with what you're trying to see. As you can see, an increase in interest rate based off of what Jerome Powell has said. Why is that? Why is the bond prices trending lower and interest rates going higher even though they decided to lower the bips? Well, I'm going to tell you why. Everyone does not trust the Fed, and the Fed does not appear to know what they're doing. So in today's video, I'm going to show you basically what you guys could do to prepare for this recession that is inevitably coming. Now, it's not going to be all bad news, right? I don't want to spread fear. Again, I am rumors, and do not take my investing advice as the word, because I am not a licensed financial advisor. With that being said, let's start with this. What does happen in a recession? Typically, what you will see is the price of gold and silver seem to be skyrocketing. As you can see, that back in 2011, which appears to be the last, I guess, what I would clarify as legitimate recession. Silver seems to have peaked off, and same thing with gold in 2011, peaked off. It kind of falls down and then it skyrockets back up again. So in terms of investments, gold and silver appear to be something that kind of holds its value, at least during a recessionary period. What also might be something you might want to do? Well, honestly, as sad as it is, during a recession, what typically happens? People lose their jobs, right? So unfortunately, for the majority of people, not the majority of people, but for a lot of people, I would say have a plan, right? Come up with a plan with your family, whatever is best suited for you, your kids. What can I do if I were to get laid off? What can we do, right? To, study the forms you might have to fill out for unemployment. Figure out a plan with the family. Decide, hey, if I get laid off, we might have to cut this, 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 and this, or potentially start saving for a potential layoff in the future now. Typically, in these recessionary periods, the jobs that do get cut are going to be more financially related jobs, such as hedge funds and banks. However, it might not hurt to brush up on the unemployment docs just in case of a layoff. One final thing that you guys should be looking into is cutting costs. It doesn't ever hurt to cut costs way too early, especially in this economy. Look to see what more you could cut, whether it might be your food bill and maybe buying cheaper meals, eating such meals such as potatoes, beans, eating more rice-oriented stuff, or potentially cutting out food bills entirely by growing your own. Right now, potatoes, depending on your area, might be something you guys can grow. But overall, right now, we are in a recession, and the best thing to do right now is to just hold on and ride the ship out, and eventually we will come out of it. But if not, I think it's best to start focusing on providing and taking care of your family, and don't be afraid or ashamed to fill out unemployment forms. Anyway, just wanted to provide you guys a quick update just in case with things going bad, and just when they finally do announce it, I wanted to be the first one to say it because no one likes to admit that we're in a recession, but the truth is we are. Thank you guys very much, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care now.